How to avoid scams on Alibaba. Worried about getting scammed on Alibaba? This guide shows you how to avoid scams and buy with confidence. The most important thing to do is always use trade assurance. This is a free service from Alibaba that protects your order. If something goes wrong with your order, Alibaba will help you get your money back. Always look for this badge when you're buying something. Before you buy, you should always check the supplier's profile. Look at the reviews, their years of experience, and their contact information. If the supplier has a lot of good reviews and has been on Alibaba for a long time, you can trust them more. Never pay a supplier outside of Alibaba. If a supplier asks you to send money to them directly through a bank transfer, it is most likely a scam. Always use Alibaba's secure payment system to protect your money. You now know how to avoid scams on Alibaba. Stay safe and buy with confidence. Like and subscribe for more business tips.